Here I have Dongfeng Box and let me show you how to use Max Defrost. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you can quickly access the air conditioning settings by tapping the fan. As you can see here, you can read a few information and also use some settings. One of them is Max Defrost. So Max Defrost is this snowflake. Let me tap it again. Right here, this snowflake icon. You can use this when your windshield is iced over or heavily fogged. It pushes all power to the front of the glass. If it's blue, it's activated, but it's also really loud. If it's black, it's deactivated. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.